y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lindy. This is Lindiorslife, and you are back for another one. Okay, what's poppin'? Today we have a wig, and we have not done a full lace wig in a minute, but today is a little switch up because it's a syntheticaaa. Okay, we got the melted hairline lace front wig from Outre. It's in 1B. Here is all the deets. Her name is Camilla. You know I'm gonna have that thing down in the description box below. But yeah, I just went to the this was like $50, by the way. But I just went to the beauty supply store the other day, and I'm like, you know, I'm gonna try something new. But I didn't want to buy like a whole wig and try to figure out like, oh, is this hair good? Is this hair gonna get messed up? Da, da, da. Like, I didn't feel like doing that right now. So we just got ourselves a synthetic, and we have a couple new, like, you know, lace glue whatever products to try, so I'm excited. But look at, all right, just get into that. That's a hairline. That's a hairline we probably don't even have to pluck. Come on, come on. That's why I bought her. All right. Yeah. I'm excited. It's supposed to be like HG lace and everything. So this is the parting space. It's a T-part. Ooh, that's so sad. I didn't know. Oh well. So it's a T-part, and it goes obviously from side to side. You get the full length of your ear to ear. It comes with, it has elastic band, period. Got combs. 2 combs right here and a comb in the back. All right, stop focusing on me. And a comb in the back, period. Well, I'm excited still, even though I thought I had a little more space, not just a thing. And this is what she gives. She kind of gives syntheticaaa, but we're gonna try to finesse her. Ooh, shedding. Clearly I'm not gonna wear this wig long, but this is just for fun. I do have somewhere to go, so she might give. I'm pretty sure you can put heat on her. Let's see. Let's see. Safe up to 400. You feel me? Get out, my girl. Okay, let's get it. I got about an hour to get this done because I do have somewhere to go, but you know, an hour should be good enough. So let's get it. Also, these are the other new products that I got. So I got the Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray. The girls on TikTok say this is the truth. I'm not gonna use it to I think I might use it to melt my lace. And then to put the lace down or whatever, I got the Bold Hold Extreme Cream. Bold Hold Extreme Cream, period. And to, you know, change the lace color and make it melt for real, I have this True Match Lace Conceal Spray. I don't know if you see, I saw it on Instagram and I decided to try it. So it's supposed to make the lace look more like my skin tone. Hopefully it does, and hopefully this is like a bomb install. Let's cross our fingers, okay? Whew, all right. First things first, I'm braiding my hair down. So I'm gonna just go do that and come back. And we're gonna get ready, get busy. All right, babes, we're back. Disregard everything. The hair is braided down as best as we can get it, and we're gonna just get into it. Gonna have to take the alcohol and wipe off the perimeter of this lovely bead that I just did on my face because I forgot.
Chubby drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like
I'm gonna let it dry for a little longer, but I want to spray this lace spray on the lace first, so I can let it sit because I feel like it probably needs to sit and dry a little bit before I put it on my head. Flipping it over, and I'm gonna spray the lace, but I need to put it down so you probably won't see. This is the before of the lace. Okay, and I'm gonna show you the after once I spray it and stuff. Whoa. All right, when you spray it, it comes out like this. So that's brown. Okay, I'm a little scared now. I'm scared. All right. That's good enough, I guess. I'm gonna let that thing sit and dry. This is what it looks like afterwards, actually. Let me show you. So as you can see, definitely tinted it. So that's good. So it's time to clip it off. You can use scissors or a razor. I think I like both work, so.
3 out 5, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them.
I'm gonna take these two and tie them in the back. Try to keep this thing on here. Here's the lace now. Definitely melting, definitely blending. So we love that. Now let's get into the razor, because I feel like I have too much. Just getting it a little closer to my actual hairline, because I don't really like to wear my wigs that above my hairline, truthfully. And I know that does make it a little, I guess, scarier for my edges, but I don't really wear wigs like this that often anymore, so my edges will be alright. Okay, I think that's good. I guess let's try the wig on and see if that's good.
We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I.
Okay, so as you can see, if I pull it back, you can see that. So I'm gonna have to cut that back a lot more, unless I pull it up more. But this side is good. As you can see, this side is good. This side needs a little more work. We're going in Maybelline Fit Me with the sponge it comes with, and just getting that hairline together. I don't want it to be too tinted though, because like obviously the we already got the wig tint popping, but it's definitely got to get tinted because it was very yellow when I just put it on my head. So yeah, we gonna hit the part a little bit too. And that's that on that. Now we bull head scallywag. All right, I like to cut the lace before I lay down, so that's what I'm gonna do. Y'all could do it the way y'all want. That's what I'm gonna do. So taking the hair and I'm pinning it back. The hair is pinned. Try to move the baby hairs, and let's giddy. Obviously, I'm gonna go to the middle. Actually, nah. We're gonna go in the razor. Try to make it jagged and all that good stuff.
They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bag. stage, now I got a game plan. And I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, niggas came up on this side.
Now we're pulling some of the hairs out. We're gonna pull some of the baby hairs out. That seems like a good, yeah, seems fine. Nothing too crazy. I'm gonna just pull some of these out. Not even just the baby hairs, but just the hairs that make up the hairline. We're gonna pull some of them out.
Now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dog. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get rights to go outside and I spit it with the knives. Be up on the.
Now I was gonna use a boho, but for time purposes and the fact that I just don't feel like it, we gonna just use this Wander adhesive spray. Okay. So yeah, let's get it. Ooh, I'm scared. Hold on. And I'm spraying it in between. You can see me spraying it in between, you know, the hair and the edges or whatever. Cause that's where I'm ooh, Lord. Child, I can tell this spray gonna keep this hair down all motherfucking day, okay? Elastic. We're putting it right there where we sprayed the spray. Alright, it's on and it's tight. So while we wait on that, I'm just, ooh, not running down my face. I'm just gonna come back when it's dry. Alright girls, we're back. And look at the hairline. Melted. This spray really ain't no joke. I'm gonna just say that. But so I did a little plucking on the part here, and now I'm gonna continue to pluck the part, and I'm gonna pluck the edges a little bit more, even though they came plucked. I don't know, I kind of want them to be a little more plucked. So we're gonna go in the middle. So now we see it's a little wider, gets a little tapered in the back, and we can fix that, but it's not that big of a deal to me. So we're gonna go on the edges and just push it back, and as we can see, it is doing some hairline stuff. We're just gonna, you know, accentuate what's happening already. I think I just, oh, I got twisted. Pulling at the places that are already giving that look of a hairline. So you see what I'm saying? Yeah, you see what I'm saying. Y'all see what I'm saying. This side to this side, it's a little less, you know, hairline-ish. So we're just gonna.
Other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
This is the edges. This is what we're working with. Not too bad. This is what we're gonna leave it at, because y'all, I got somewhere to be. And the girls are gonna get what the girls are gonna get, okay? So I did try to put a little bit of curls in it, but because I did all that plucking, I do have to now brush them out. But when you brush out curls, you gotta go back with it, you know? Y'all know, I think y'all know. But if you don't know, don't just brush down. Like, you have to give it body while you brush. So, let me show y'all. So you wanna go back. And then just push to the front a little bit. And then that's how you get body and still get, you know, what you want out your hair. So. All right, y'all, this is the final look. Listen, I might have snapped on this. Ooh, Ooh, I snapped. I had to look at it, look at myself. Oh, y'all, I snapped. Like, yeah. We're gonna get back into the wigs, but this is syntheticaaa. All the information gonna be down below. Thank you so much for watching this madness we try to get together. Like, comment, subscribe, and holla at your girl down in the DMs, down in the comment section. And let me know how you feel about, you know, everything that done transpired here today. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next one.